3 ways to view private Instagram account without following. So if you want to view private Instagram account without following, then first you just need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Instagram. So the first way is to follow that person. So if you follow the person, then it will be easy for you to view their Instagram account, because instead of following, you don't have any other option to view the private Instagram account, because it's a privacy concern. So you can simply tap on the follow button of that person and you can follow that person. But if you don't want to follow, then what you can do is simply go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, go for the upper right, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on log out and log out of your account. Once you've logged out, tap on create new account, and then you need to create an account with the new name and the new number. So once you've created a new account, then you just need to go for that person's profile and then follow that person, and the other person might accept your follow request within 2 or 3 days, and you'll be able to view the private Instagram account. So this is the second way in which you need to create a new account. And the third way is you just need to ask your friends, like you need to ask a friend who follows the person that you would like to view the profile. So you just need to ask your friend to show their profile. So these were the 3 ways in which you can view a private Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.